Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Audi A4 engine. First, ensure you have all the right tools and safety equipment ready. Always disconnect the battery and completely drain the engine oil, coolant, and other fluids. Take your time to carefully label every single electrical connector, hose, and vacuum line as you remove them. This meticulous organization will save you a lot of time and frustration during reassembly. Now, let's get to removing the old engine. You'll need to detach various components like the intake manifold, exhaust system, and the transmission. Make sure the engine is properly supported with a jack or stand before you unbolt the engine mounts. Once everything is disconnected, use a sturdy engine hoist to carefully and slowly lift the old engine out of the engine bay. Safety is paramount during this step. With the old engine out, it's time to install your replacement. Before lowering it in, thoroughly inspect the new engine for any shipping damage or missing components. Carefully guide the engine into the bay, ensuring proper alignment with the transmission. Once aligned, reconnect the transmission and securely fasten all engine mounts. Double-check every connection to ensure everything is snug and correctly positioned. You're almost done? Now, systematically reattach all the hoses, electrical connectors, and accessories you labeled earlier. Refill the engine with fresh oil, coolant, and any other necessary fluids to their specified levels. Before taking it for a drive, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Carefully check for any leaks, unusual noises, or warning lights on the dashboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.